BRICKARMORY here with a new gun, and this time around I've built the Cz Skorpion V61. It's a machine pistol chambered in 32 ACP. It's a pretty famous machine pistol. You've seen it in many movies like The Matrix, where Neo dual wields two of them. It's been in many video games like Call of Duty, too many to name it. Yeah, this gun is I'm pretty happy with it, how it turned out. It's was pretty hard to make actually, to make it Fieldstrip, because it's very compact. I ordered these elbows or macaroni pieces to make the stock, and I think that worked out very good. Magazine style, I built the magazine sideways out of slopes. It's really sturdy, and it captures the right angles and the look. This gun has a working magazine release, as you have seen, working trigger, working safety. It has an internal trigger mechanism. The bolt goes back, and when you open the bolt, you can see the bullet inside, as you can see. Unfortunately, I couldn't implement working springs or rubber bands, because it's just too compact and the inside is just too tiny. It just doesn't work. I'm really happy how this grip turned out. This is all built sideways, and it has those grooves in it and a thumb rest right there, and yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. I'll show you how the Fieldstrip is gone, and that will be about it. Now, to Fieldstrip this gun, first you take the magazine, take it out, and charge the weapon. Check if the chamber is empty. Well, it is. Let the bolt go forward, release the hammer. There you go. It's a little bit sluggish inside because it's a really tight space. I'll show you that in a second. Remove the stock, just for ease of handling the gun. Now, to separate the receivers, there you go. On the real steel version, the receivers would hinge. I couldn't make it. I tried it with these pegs right here to hinge it on this lightsaber piece, but it didn't work. Here on the inside you can see the mag release and the functioning hammer. Why isn't it functioning? Oh, there you go. And that's how that works. I posted a picture of this trigger group on my Flickr account. So if you're curious how I did it, head over there, follow me on Flickr, and you can see a lot of pictures of how I built this thing and what I'm working on. So yeah, if you're interested, just follow me there. Here you can see the other inside. It's in the real steel version, the bolt hooks up to this piece right here. Then inertia of the recoil goes back, and weight inside the pistol grip goes up and then releases the bolt to slow down the cycling rate of this gun, because otherwise it would just fire way too fast. So yeah, I added this detail in right here, and I think it looks pretty close to the real steel version. Yeah, here we have the safety right here. Nothing too fancy. I like this how I built this lever right here, and yeah, that's it. Trigger, pretty standard basic trigger, but yeah, I think it looks good. Now for the bolt and upper receiver, here we have the upper receiver. To take it apart, just slide it all to the rear. Remove these bags, or the pins right here. It's the charging handle, and remove the bolt. The bolt is was pretty tricky to make, so I had to build it all sideways again, and to get this hollow piece right here, because your ejection port is on top, and then the bolt sits right like that. And when you charge the weapon, you can see through the gun, just like the real steel version. Yeah, how it works: the bolt is in the upper receiver, just like this, and you charge the weapon. Hang on. And that's how it basically works, how it should work. And hammer locks and behind the trigger, bolt goes forward, and boom. Upper receiver, got some nice details right here, and the BRICKARMORY 14 serial number. Now to put it back together, take the bolt, slide it in. It has these inserts where it rides in. That's that. Then I connect the two halves together. Just like that. And the bolts and the gun is back together. So that was it, guys. I hope you liked this video. Share it with your friends. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll probably answer. Most of the time I will. For the next time, I got a pretty cool pistol build coming up next. I can show you a little sneak preview of it. Where is it? Here. Really fast. That's coming up soon. So yeah, stay tuned, and I'll see you next time.